seasons of the year in Setswana. Summer, selemo, selemo, selemo. That's summer. Winter, mariga. It has a ch sound. Mariga, mariga. Autumn is letlafula. That means the time of harvest. So it's describing that time. Letlafula, letlafula. That's autumn. And spring, dikakologo, dikakologo. That means thawing time, because everything is thawing after the winter. So the 4 seasons: summer, selemo; winter, mariga; autumn, letlafula; spring, dikakologo. Hope you're ready. Take care. Bye.